SQL injection attack on Buggy web application. So what we are going to take a look inside the video. First of all, we will learn about how you can attack on a web application using SQL injection, and then I will explain you the process of SQL injection attack. So the setup is quite simple. We have already installed XAMPP server and hosted Matilda inside it. So we are going to use the Buggy web application, which is Matilda, and we will perform SQL injection attack on Matilda framework inside Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, you need to open Kali Linux operating system and open Matilda inside the browser. So here we are at Kali Linux operating system, and I have already opened the browser. Here you can see that Matilda is already opened inside the Mozilla Firefox. So here in this Buggy web application, I'm going to show you that how you can perform SQL injection attack on a web application. So this is the home page of the web application, right, which is Matilda. So do one thing, just select, don't click on, just go on OS 2017, then injection SQL, then SQLi extract data, and then click on user info SQL. So click on that. Here it is. So you can see here that here you can see that this is a login page, which is saying that please put the name and the password to log in the web page, right? You can see here we are not logged in the website. So as an attacker, if I want to log in the website and I don't have any account, so how I can find out the username and the password of other users available on the website? This is the case. So to check that if a website or web application is vulnerable to SQL injection or not, there is a simple method. Let me show you. So on the login page, do one thing, just click inside and type simple apostrophe, a single apostrophe, you can see here, right? And after that, you can click on view account details. So let me click on that. Now nothing will show, but if you come down, then you can see there's an error coming from the server. So let me show you the error. Here is the error. This is the error part, right? So you can see here that I can see the query here, which is going from my browser to the web application, right? So this should not be visible. This is a kind of vulnerability in web application, that it is showing the query to the users. Let's read out the query. Select star from accounts where username equal to this and password equal to this. It is clearly showing that there is a table. The name of the table is accounts, right? And inside the table there are two columns, at least two columns. First is username and second is password. So this is a kind of vulnerability in the web application. That's why it is showing us these entities. So now it is selecting everything. Star means everything. Select everything from this table where username equal to, when we will put the username and when we will put the password in the login page, then this query will generate and it will go to the server and provide us the appropriate information. Got it? So by using that query, I can basically use some cheat sheet of SQL injection to log in the web page. How I can use it, let me show you. So I'm going to use 1 equal to 1 because 1 equal to 1 is always true, right? So I'm going to use that query in the name and the password. So click on the name first of all type apostrophe space, then capital R space 1 equals to -1. Why I put the dash before 1? You can see here, if you come down, then you can see there is an extra dash available at the end of the username, right? So you can see here I need to put an extra before 1, right? Now the same here, dash space or space 1 equal to apostrophe 1. Basically it is called apostrophe, right? You can also call it single quote, but you can also call it apostrophe. Same thing in the name and the same thing in the password. All right, now you can click on account details and come down, and here you can see that we got the username and the password of other users available on the website. So you can see here why it happened, because that was the malicious SQL query, and the web server is not able to detect it, that it is a harmful query or not, and that's why it has provided all the information the query was demanding, right? So you can see here I can basically log in the admin account also, because I have the username of the admin panel and the password is also available here, right? So by using SQL injection on login page, you can perform these kind of attacks. Now I am not logged in, right? You can see, so I can log in here by using admin, and admin pass is the password. So let me click on login, right? Here you can type admin, and admin pass is the password which we have found, and you can click on login, and here you can see that user authenticated, and now I am logged in as admin in the website. Got it? So this is a simple information that I want to provide, that you can use this query in any website which contains SQL injection attack, right? And then you can gather the each and every information from the database, and then you can use it for another harmful purposes. So this is a point of view regarding hackers, at how hackers work and how hackers perform SQL injection attack on the websites, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next video we are going to learn about HTML injection attack on this particular web application. Thank you so much for your time.